This is a 2011 Honda Accord. This four-door sedan has a 5-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Features include a sunroof, aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, a multi-disc CD player, performance tires, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a security system, stability control, a power driver's seat, and this vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. This Honda has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Wilde Honda is located at 7333 South Tamiami Trail in Sarasota. Also shop GoWildeHonda.com. It's got to be wild.